rolling in Independence, Missouri, off 291 right now. Ducks say hello. Well, their butts do. They like watching storms too. But they say hi, everybody. Yeah, it's hella dark. And of course, as you can tell, we got slow pokes.
We're stuck by this heavy semi. I guess he's weighted down pretty good. See if it's taking over it.
They are. Hi, honey.
Like out my window.
That's what I was trying to do. Here we are to the left. Dark. Pan to the front. Dark. Over here, it's dark, but not as bad. Old cars. McDonald's. Not so cool. Well, thank you for coming on a short little ride with me, everybody. Hope you have a good day. See you next time. Bye.